Since we now have the ability to show Flash messages anywhere on our site, and it works responsively too, so if we change the size of the page, it's also going to flash that message. So you can play around with the widths and stuff like that. All of that has to do with CSS, but the fact that it shows up, that's what we want to see, and the fact that it goes away, it's also another thing we want to see. Cool, so let's actually update the message that's coming through from Django. I'm going to close out a lot of things here so we can actually get back into just seeing the things we need. And I'm going to go into views. So the cart view is one of them that we want to return a message. Well, really, this is the only one that we want to return a message because this is where we're actually using the messages themselves. So what I'm going to say here is I'm just going to leave the flash message equaling to nothing. I'll have it as an empty string first. And we'll do if created, we'll say flash messages item successfully added to the cart. We could even say the actual item itself, but we'll just say, how about just successfully added to the cart? And then delete item, flash message, item removed from cart. Item removed, how about just item removed successfully? And then updated. The flash quantity, we'll say if not created down here. Then we'll say flash message equals to item or quantity has been updated successfully. All right, so now we just bring this in with our AJAX call. And our flash message will be down here. Cool. So let's go and look at our two different views. So first off, view.html. So this flash message is going to be right here, and it's going to be data.flashMessage. So that should show the message on the cart. So let's actually look at the cart. I refresh in here, and quantity has been updated successfully. So on and so forth. Perfect. So let's show that exact same thing on our products detail when we update it. So this is, we're looking for this one. So AJAX add to cart. And we can get rid of the added stuff. All we need now is just show flash message. And we refresh. Let's go back to the product itself. Refresh in here. Add it to cart. Quantity has been successfully updated. Item removed successfully. Successfully added to cart. Perfect. So now we've got our flash messages working and working the way we want them to. So this stuff obviously can change quite a bit if you need it to change in any form or fashion. And another thing about it is you don't actually have to set the message coming from the server. If anything, you can also set it using data added. So you could also say like this, if data added, then we would say, let's do var message equals to an empty string, and then we just say message equals to new item added. And we would put this in here. So that would actually be how it'd be. And then we'll say else message equals to new or item updated. Actually, we'll say elif. Elif, first off, we'll do data dot deleted. And we'll put something in there. Data deleted. Item deleted or item removed. So back into the cart. Might have an issue with our call here. Going into console, unexpected token. Let's see where that's coming from. Oops. Else if, sorry, not elif. Elif is a Python else if. We do this again, and now it says item updated, right? So it's going off of that. go to negative, item removed. So that's another way to do it, and it's really up to you on which direction you want to go. You could have both of them like we see here. So I'm going to leave them both there so you can kind of decide. Now in the next one, we actually have to update the subtotal if everything was deleted so that it doesn't say $29.99. All right, so if you have any questions on this, let us know. Otherwise, let's keep going.